From Apari Cohulo, please welcome on stage mula sa pagiging basketball superstar. Gusto ko yung Apari Cohulo. Hanggang sa maging aktor sa telebisyon at pelikula. Versatile kung tawagin dahil pwede sa drama, comedy at action. Pelikula man yan, teleserye o TV sitcom. Pinarangalan na rin ng PMPC para sa kanyang pagganap sa pelikulang On the Job noong 2014. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Joey Marquez! Hello, boy. Hi, Joey. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ngayong araw po ito, pinagmamalaki namin iharap ang isa sa mga ginagawa ng ating Fernando Lifetime Achievement Award. Siya po ay isang pangalan na matagal na inugnay sa isang pinakamatagal at pinakaminahal na programa sa telebisyon ng ating bansa, Eat Bulaga. Kung saan nagsimula siya bilang isang production assistant at umakyat sa rango upang maging executive. Higit pa sa Eat Bulaga, maraming po siyang pinamalalang iba't ibang programa mula sa talk shows hanggang sa dramas. At naging instrumento rin po siya sa pagtulong sa pag-usbong ng maraming nangungunang talento ngayon sa entertainment. Sa ngayon, sa panibagong yugto ng kanyang karera, lalong tumaas ang kanyang posisyon. Siya ay tinalaga bilang acting general manager ng People's Television Network or PTV4. Mga kaibigan, bigyan po natin ang malakas na palakpakan ang isang haligi ng industriya ng telebisyon at isa sa mga ating Fernando Lifetime Achievement Award ngayong taon, walang iba kundi si Miss Malu Showan Pagano.
To present the ating Fernando Lifetime Achievement Award are PMPC President Mel Navarro and past presidents Fernando Guzman, Julie Bonifacio Gaspar, Romel Gonzalez, Rodel Fernando, Mel Balyanera, and Roldan Castro.
Good evening. Si Jenny Rehena ng cue card kasi napaka-80s naman. Hindi na uso ngayon ang cue card. Okay, thank you PMBC for this recognition. Never in my wildest dream na tatanggap ako ng isang achievement award. Dati, darling of the press lang ako ng PMBC. Ngayon, lifetime achievement. Sabi nga ni Joba Talbo. I would like to thank my family who's always been with me. Nakikibagay sa aking erratic schedule. And they've been very supportive of me. I love you, my family. I would also like to thank my mentors, Messrs. Tony Tuviera, Romy Halusos, and Mother Lily Monteverde. TVJ, who have seen me through the years and through everything that has shaped me into becoming the strong woman I am today. The OG EB staff na mahal ako and who are very supportive of me until now. Even though I'm no longer a part of Ibulaga, I'd like to thank the PMPC again for recognizing my contributions to the show throughout my 41-year stay with Ibulaga. I'm proud to say that together with the EBOGs, I've been there from the very beginning. And I am deeply honored to have had a hand in bringing Ibulaga to where it is today, the longest running noontime show in the country. Needless to say, we managed to help bring change to millions of lives with our daily segments, entertain people and made them forget their troubles, even just for 2.5 hours, 6 days a week. Wednesday Club, thank you for the friendship. And for this, all of this that I am enjoying now, I back all the glory and honor to Jesus, my Lord and Savior. Thank you, BMS.
Congratulations, Tita Malu. Tita Malu, kasi nung nag-umpisa ako sa Itbulaga, baby pa ako nun eh. Kaya Tita Malu hanggang ngayon.
Congratulations, Malu.
Nalagita. Another well-deserved.